Good evening, and I'm Katie Clark, and this the ENN. I'm here with Donnie DDNP. So the first thing I want to ask you is, what does DDNP stand for?
Oh, that's easy, Blondie. It stands for Don't Do Nothing But Gets Paid. They didn't add the BP because it would make it long.
Okay, so why do they call you that?
Well, cause I mostly sit on the bench and do nothing but get paid. Oh, and when I'm out there I don't do nothing but pass the ball.
Thank you for that. Now why do you think the kids look up to you as a role model?
Oh, damn kids. Personally, I don't give a damn about those kids. All I want is the money. I'm always jetting asked to sign a damn ball. Leave me the hell alone.
I have two more questions. Are you single?
What the? You know what? I'll tell you straight. Nope. I've slapped with a few womans, but I ain't got a absolute chick.
My last question for you today is, do you have anything to say?
You know, to all those young mans who wanna be a basketball player, you might end up sitting on the bench like me. I didn't want to sit on the bench all my life.